Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn making things together, step by step. Hello friends, I'm Vidya. Did you know we can make many things ourselves? We can make toys, cards, and pretty pictures. Today we will learn how we make things with our own hands. There are so many things we can make. We can fold paper into boats and hats. We can shape clay into little toys. We can draw colorful pictures and make greeting cards. Making things is so much fun. To make things, we use some materials. We use paper, glue, and colors. We use soft clay to mold shapes. Sometimes we use scissors, but we must always use them carefully with an elder nearby. When we make things, we use our imagination. We can even reuse old boxes and bottles to make new toys. There is no wrong way to create. Just enjoy making something special with your own hands. To recap, we can make many things like boats, toys, and cards. We use paper, clay, colors, and our imagination. We can reuse old things too. So go ahead and have fun making things, friends. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.